Hello, this is Alex from Belling, and today I'm going to talk about the PV-BT10i wireless Bluetooth speaker that can be connected to the Wi-Fi as well as to the router, and you can monitor the live feed from anywhere in the world. Here are the contents of the box. We have the quick manuals, the Bluetooth speaker, the 16 GB SD card, and an USB cable. Here we have the BT10i. It is a device that can be used in multiple ways. You can use it as a Bluetooth speaker, a wireless Bluetooth speaker, and connect it to your phone, or you can use it as a covered DVR that can be connected to your router, and you can access the live feed from anywhere in the world via your smartphone. The lens, I will show you where it's located, behind this button here. You can see the lens. It's perfectly concealed in the design of the DVR, so if you are not explicitly looking for it, chances are that you won't be able to find it. On the DVR itself, we have the volume up and volume down button, the previous and next track button, as well as the power on and off button that can also be used to enable the Bluetooth on the device. A bit down here, we have this lid, and when we uncover it, we have this button here, the switch. You can use it to hide the covered operation. What that means is that at the point of setting up the device, you will have LED lights that light up on the device itself, and if you are using the DVR part of the device, the covered camera part, not the Bluetooth speakers, you will be able to hide the LED lights. So once it is operational and it is in the position to make the videos, it won't be visible that something is happening on the device that should not be there. Here we have the USB cable port and the SD card slot. A bit down here we have the set to default button, the reset button, and we have a switch here. Here we turn off the device, here are the Bluetooth settings, and here is the video recording that will also enable the Wi-Fi on the device itself. Here are the ID and the code of the device, as well as the QR code. You will see a bit later in the application, there are two ways to enter the device into the application. One is manual, by using this ID and code, and the other one is just by scanning this QR code. Now we will show you how to connect the device to your smartphone via Bluetooth and to use it as a loudspeaker. First, we have to insert the SD card into the device. Right here, we have the SD card slot. And now, we have to switch to the Bluetooth. The next step is to take your smartphone and to enable the Bluetooth on your smartphone. Now, press and hold the power button. The blue lights light up, and that's your cue that you don't have to press anymore. Now we have the device here, and we'll select it. Your smartphone and the device are paired now. You can go and see how the speakers work. I'll show you here on a video. Camera edit import. You can control, this is a new feature, the volume here on the device, or you can control the volume on your smartphone. The 12 volt option was available in the PV-1000 DVR models from Lawmate. However, for a PV-500 model, this is the first. So now you can use your Bible and you can skip the tracks. This is how you set up the Bluetooth and pair it with your smartphone. Now I will show you how to connect your DVR to your smartphone and your router. First, we have to push the switch until the end, like this. And then we will let the device reconfigure itself for a couple of moments. In the meantime, feel free to download the PV-Cam Viewer application on your smartphone. You can see it here. Once you have done that, you can go to the Wi-Fi settings of your smartphone, and here you will be able to find the device. In a couple of moments, we will see the orange and the red LED light up on the device, and at that point, we will be able to see it also here. And here we have it, the orange and the red light. And here is our device. You will be asked to enter a password, and we have the standard password that comes with the devices. It's 8x8, and it can be changed later on. Now we have connected the Wi-Fi network to the device, and we can enter into the application. Choose Device Management, and we'll add the device. You can do it manually, or you can scan the device. We will scan it. We have the ID code here, and we'll scan the device. Now you can select this specific device, and you can go to the recorder settings. Here you will see the live feed. As I've told you before, the lens is located here behind the volume up button. Here you can choose between the normal and motion detection mode. You can also capture photos, stop and start the recording, and as well as turn the sound on or off. Here you can see that the recording is ongoing, as the red dot is here, and you can also see how long it has been recording. At this point we have only set up the Wi-Fi connection. Now what we have to do is to set up the IP connection. For that purpose, we will go here in the settings, and here we have the Internet Wi-Fi settings that we will access, like this. In this part, you have to enter the name of your router and the password of your router. Once you have entered the name and password of your router into the device, you can hit save. Now we will see here a little notification that the device is connected to the router in a couple of moments. Here you have it. However, we still have to wait a bit until the light green LED pops out here, and at that point we will go to Device Management, and our device will be again able to be selected, and then we can go and show you the live feed. The device needs to reconfigure itself about 30 seconds, and sometimes it's a bit quicker. We reselect the device, and now you can see here the light green LED, and if we go to the recorder settings, we will see the live feed. One moment, here we have the live feed. As shown previously, the recorder has started the recording automatically, and you have all the options you had before. However, this time you can go outside or wherever you travel, and you can always access the live feed of this DVR in this room via your smartphone. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email us or leave them in the comment section of this video. Thank you for watching.